children, primary 2, I really thank you very much for being on this program of e-learning. Thank you very much for following us. Please make sure that you keep on following us. You do the tests that are given to you. Please do them properly. Those are your promotional tests. When you will come back after COVID-19, you'll be promoted to another class if you try and do your best. Thank you very much. We are looking at now more about finding the unknown in subtraction. More about subtraction, more about finding the unknown using subtraction. We are finding the unknown, all we are solving, as our example is saying, solve and find the missing number. This is a box minus 3 is equal to 2. Before attempting this number, you have to make sure that you say this out using your words, that there is a number which I don't know. When you subtract 3 on that number, you'll get 2 as the answer. Then first ask yourself, what is that number? Even before calculating, you will get it in your mind that, oh, since this is the way of talking it means that the answer is this one. But now we should have to get the method of doing this number. A box minus 3 is equal to 2. How are we going to get the answer for the box? Just the method that I can give you, you will say that a box minus 3 is equal to 2. Since here we are subtracting, and remember now our box is on this side, it is not in between. We have to make sure that we add across the equal signs. We add across the equal signs. Since here we are subtracting, we are going to add across the equal signs by saying box minus 3 is equal to 2. So we are going to say therefore our box is equal to 2 plus 3. This was a negative sign, but since it has crossed these equal signs, this one acts as a bridge, it is going to become a positive sign. But as you remember, when we were speaking this one out, there is a number. When you subtract 3, you get 2 as the answer. By speaking out that statement, you can clearly get the answer. But now this is our method of getting the answer in the box. Since here we are subtracting, we have to add this side. So our box is equal to 2 plus 3. Therefore, our box is equal to how many? Our box is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. What do you get all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5. So you get your box equal to 5. Please don't stop from there. You will therefore state out the equation as it was at first. A box minus 3 is equal to 2. But what is in your box? In my box there is a 5. After getting that, underline your work properly. Yes, let us look at our next number, that is our example 2. There is a number. When you subtract 5 from it, you will get 8 as the answer. There is a number. When you subtract 5 from it, you will get 8 as the answer. What is that number? Do as I have said in the first example, that when you get a box, it will be equal to, since here we are subtracting, this side you have to add plus 5. Therefore, my box will be equal to, what? When you get 8 plus 5, what do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus another 5, add another 5, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you get all together? Remember, this is our 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You get 13. So after there, you say your box is equal to 13. Don't stop there. You write the full statement as it was in the question by saying my box, when I subtract 5, I get 8 as the answer. But what is in my box? I said my box is equal to 13, so you come and fill 13 in your box. After there, you'll have to underline your work properly. have to underline your work properly. This is my 5. Let us, good children, look at our example 3. These are so far 2 examples. Let us look at our example 3 and see how we can understand this concept more. There is a number. When you subtract 14 from it, you get 4 as the answer. There is a number. When you subtract 14 from it, you will get 4 as the answer. As I earlier told you that when you find that there is a sign of subtraction, when the box is not in between, when the box is the first number or the unknown is the first, you will have to add across the bridge, across the equal sign. So you will say that a box, therefore, will be equal to 4 plus 14. That's how we do. A box will therefore equal to this 4 plus this 14. What will you get all together? When you add 4 plus 14, come and add. Here we start with a bigger number, 14 plus 4. What do you get? When you add vertically, 14 plus 4. 4 plus 4, what do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you get all together? This is my 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8. But since here we do have our 1, so you bring it direct. So we therefore say that a box is equal to how many? Is equal to 18. Don't stop there. Repeat the statement by saying a box minus 14 is equal to 4. But what is in your box? Here you say that a box is equal to 18. So we say put it there as 18. After there, you have to underline your work properly. Yes, let us look at our last example and let this be our trial number. Please, I want, as I do this number, you are also writing somewhere. Let us practice this together. There is a number. When you subtract 41 from it, you get 51. When you subtract 44 from it, you get 51 as the answer. What is that number? Let us use our method as we've been saying. That since we are subtracting, let us add. A box is equal to 51 plus 44. Therefore, my box will be equal to what? 51 plus 44. Yes, now we need to add. You can decide to draw sticks, but now since you are on a level of primary 2, at least you can leave that one of sticks to primary 1 children. Yes? So now for you, you can use addition of numbers vertically. 51 plus 44. That's how we can add. So put our plus. When you get 1 plus 4, what do you get? I have my 1, 0. All my 1, say my 1 mango plus 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my 4 mangoes. How many do I get all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I will get 5. Then another one, I do have my 4 mangoes, another 5 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I add another 4 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I get together? Remember, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I get 9 as my answer. So it means that my box is equal to 95. Don't stop there. You come with your statement as it was at first by saying that when you get a box, minus 44 is equal to 51. What number is in the box? Since we say that our box is equal to 95, so you will have to come and put 95 in your box properly. That's 95 minus 44, you get 51 as the answer. So my good children of primary 2, I really thank you very much for paying attention for this lesson. Thank you for enumerating these concepts properly. Please, I want you to write it properly in your book. Write very neat. Do not scribble. Do not scroll in your books, such that you make your work very neat. As you know, mathematicians are ever clean and organized. Thank you very much. We meet in the next lessons.